What's up guys, welcome to the video. It's been a while since I have done some birding. I think it was at the end of the migration season last year, and so we're back at it again, this time with a different perspective, aka the POV shot. Yeah, with me the R8 and the Sigma 150 to 500. We are here in the province of Antique in the Philippines, and we're gonna explore what the rice fields has to offer. Today we're gonna cross this little creek. It's a bit sketchy, but it just stopped raining and so the water has risen, and yeah, we'll see. Rock dove. Oh, zebra dove. Right, if I fall down, good content. If I don't, good content either way. This is what going in the province is all about. That's good. Now, I'm not sure if I can spot, those are wild ducks. You probably can see it. Philippine ducks. I can also hear some sandpipers. Kingfisher. Going back, I don't know where it's gonna. We're gonna have to be a lot more careful. So yeah, this video is mostly gonna be ASMR walkthrough. I'm not gonna be sure if I can take any photos with the birds. Either way, let's take some nature shots with the telephoto lens and enjoy the video. Too far. Crows. Large bill crow. Oh, this is sketchy. Really sketchy. Guess I'm just gonna have to jump it. Okay. I like that. I hope they stay. Safety shot. It's a little bit backlighted. That wasn't good. Ramani kite. I've been waiting for this. I'm not sure if it's gonna get closer. We're gonna have to make a leap over here. Let's go. It's on the other side of the road. The kite went to the other side of the road because, as you can see, that part over there is already a national road. So the kite went to the other side. I can still see the kite. There's two of them over there. Just not so sure if they're gonna go over here. I have to cross this part of the road. We'll see. One is actually approaching. The other one is right there. Just hope it's crossing over here. So we're gonna have to explore what this side has to offer. I'm not gonna waste my time waiting over here, although sometimes it is worth it. But for today, let's just transfer over here. Now we're gonna sneak up a little bit on this side, because sometimes we never know, there might just be a lot of birds on this side. very fast picture. Come back. What's hard about this on the spot birding sessions is that sometimes when you don't know what type of bird you want to photograph, your attention is divided. You know, you can't just wait for a specific spot. You can't just identify a bird by its habitat or be in a place for a specific bird. I guess you just have to be ready to switch between flight and perched birds, especially that I'm using manual mode, not utilizing the shutter speed priority mode. I guess you just have to be ready and enjoy it at the same time.